Imagine walking down a dark alley on your way home. Then suddenly, a man in black stops you, points a gun at you, and asks for you to give him your bag. It's a terrifying situation. Such as this would send signals to your hypothalamus, activating the body's sympathetic system. Signals would also be sent to the body's adrenal glands to release epinephrine or adrenaline, the fight or flight hormone. Upon its release, a remarkable effect of epinephrine is to increase blood glucose levels in order to give the body a quick boost of energy to cope with possible danger in the fight or flight response. This is all possible with the use of signal transduction, which is a way of communication used by cells to convert extracellular signals to intracellular signals. So let's zoom into the liver to see exactly how this happens. Because epinephrine is a protein-based hormone, which is hydrophilic and polar, it cannot directly pass to a cell membrane. Here we have extracellular fluid, the plasma membrane, which acts as the gate of the cell by selecting for molecules that pass through, and the cytosol. The epinephrine, since it's a protein hormone, cannot pass directly into the cell. It thus binds to a specific receptor protein in the liver cell membrane, which is called a beta-adrenergic receptor. After a signal is received, the hormone triggers the receptor to undergo conformational changes, converting the receptor into its active form. This activates a cytoplasmic signal that activates G protein. This G protein binds to release GDP and takes up molecules of GTP. After taking up GTP, G protein's alpha subunit dissociates and activates the enzyme adenylyl cyclase. Adenylyl cyclase then converts the ATP molecule to cyclic AMP, releasing pyrophosphate. cAMP acts as a secondary messenger to send the signal to the anterior of the cells. cAMP activates other enzymes known as kinases such as protein kinase A. Protein kinase A's catalytic subunit adds phosphate group to phosphorylase kinase. Phosphorylase kinase then phosphorylates another enzyme called glycogen phosphorylase. Glycogen phosphorylase mainly acts on the liver to start converting glycogen into glucose 1-phosphate, which will eventually become glucose. So now the body has a lot of glucose as fuel. The glucose will be used as energy for the muscles, which will be used to either fight that man in a black suit or run for your life. Along with that, your heart rate also increases, your blood vessels dilate, your pupils dilate to focus more light, giving you that adrenaline rush. The decision to fight or flight will be up to you.